We flew on this historic day, and you were one of the first passengers to land on this greenfield airport. I wish you all a very happy and a lovely flight.
What it begins to specifically do, the Noida International Airport, not just for Western UP, not just for Noida, but all of Delhi NCR, is that it makes that part of Delhi NCR, which is primarily Noida, a lot more aspirational.
It is a pleasing experience and it was a wonderful moment as well. And this was something we have been waiting since years.
The new Noida Airport in Jewar began operations with landing of its first flight on 15th June. The inaugural flight from Lucknow landed at Noida International Airport at 7:55 a.m. As the aircraft landed at the airport, passengers inside the flight clapped to celebrate the successful landing of the inaugural flight.
We flew on this historic day, and you were one of the first passengers to land on this greenfield airport. I wish you all a very happy and a lovely flight.
The plane was also greeted with a water cannon salute upon landing. Officials view the new flight connection as a key development for Uttar Pradesh's aviation sector. It is aimed at improving connectivity between the state's administrative and business hubs.
I think what it begins to specifically do, the Noida International Airport, not just for Western UP, not just for Noida, but all of Delhi NCR, is that it makes that part of Delhi NCR, which is primarily Noida, a lot more aspirational. I'm beginning to see a lot of people from Delhi, from South Delhi, and sometimes even to Gurgaon, now consider Noida worth their time. It's no longer the second cousin or the poor country cousin of Delhi NCR. It's beginning to be very aspirational, and the kind of development that we're now seeing in Noida, in fact, the development there started for about a decade, which is now coming to fruition in Noida, is proving that it's becoming a premium development hub, not just of Delhi NCR, but all of India. So, interestingly speaking, Noida sometimes ends up being at the receiving end of a lot of poor air quality because of the westerly wind patterns. Because we are west of Delhi, we end up, because we end up being east of Delhi, right? So when the wind pattern from the west comes towards us, it actually blows a lot of the polluted air towards Noida, which a lot of Noida is actually very, very green. But because of the wind patterns and because of Noida lying east of Delhi and the wind patterns tend to be westerly, we end up getting a lot of that. But I think the solution to the air quality problem doesn't lie with Delhi NCR or Noida alone. It needs to be a more aggressive citizen accountability movement where citizens of all socio-economic strata demand cleaner air for themselves. And unless that demand happens, the solution is not going to be found. I think the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi need to work together. And to some extent, even the neighboring country, because ultimately that lies on the west. So unless and until the citizens of the country that lies to our west and the citizens of all these four states collectively hold accountable the person they elect, who only shows up once in 5 years, it's not going to change. We need to hold our elected representatives accountable for clean air and water. Water you consume, contaminated water, you immediately see the effects. Unfortunately, the effect of poor air is seen much, much, much later. But we just need to hold our public representatives accountable. They don't get to choose what to speak on, when they speak on. That's on us. And if they're not accountable, it's also on us.
Being here gives you an immense pride as a passenger to witness such a grandeur airport. I'm sure this is one of India's most ambitious infrastructure project. And you feel proud to witness something so magnificent and see and witness the growth story of India. I'm sure this is going to be an economic boon to the UP economy, and it is going to generate a lot of jobs and attract a lot of investments.
It is a pleasing experience and it was a wonderful moment as well. And this was something we have been waiting since years, and It is a historical day. I've taken a flight. It's a very exciting moment for all of us and my family who has been waiting for the pictures as well. And Noida is booming a lot in terms of infrastructure, in terms of growth, economic viability as well. A lot of industries would come to Noida as well and in and around Jewar. And we could see a lot of development coming around in Noida Expressway, Yamuna Expressway, and in and around areas, and looking forward for a greater growth.
So I have been a privileged passenger in the first flight which landed on Noida International Airport. हम इतने सालों से सुनते आ रहे थे कि नोएडा एयरपोर्ट बन रहा है, आने वाला है, फर्स्ट फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ करने वाली है. So I have been part of a history which has been made and was part of the few passengers who were in the flight which landed from Lucknow on the Noida International Airport. तो बहुत ही स्पेशल फीलिंग है.